Hey everybody, welcome to this 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom, brand new construction home. Right down the street from the Mitchell Elementary School. We have hardwood floors throughout, gourmet kitchen, lots of detail, and a whole bunch more. Check it out.